Hello and welcome back to the shop. There's an actual literal tropical storm brewing currently, but we're not gonna let that stop us. No. I got a whole bunch of lumber. We got all these machines in here. So let's build some stuff. All right, so got this pile of wood here. This is where we'll start. As the days go on, we'll probably add more and more to the pile. Purple heart, Paduke, mahogany, cherry, and a large chunk of hard maple. All right, well, this will be the first one. And of course, that'll render, I don't even know how much. Worry about that later. And so I've got plenty of lumber left over. Obviously, I've got this piece of purple heart. I've got cherry. I got so much mahogany, you would not believe. We're gonna use all of it, I'm sure, eventually. Also, I got tons of these pew pieces that I can break down into strips and use that on some of these blocks as well. All right, just did a little bit of a tune-up on the bandsaw. There were a few things that were a bit out. The blade itself is square to the table, which is great. That means the table doesn't need to be adjusted. However, the fence was tilted away from the blade, leaning over ever so slightly, about a 1/16 of an inch. So I had to pitch that back forward 90 to the table. Also, the fence had a bit of deflection away from the blade as well. So there's 2 bolts back here I had to loosen, realign that using the combo square to get that nice and parallel with the blade itself. We should be good for a while. These little things, they just get out of alignment over time. You have to adjust it. That's why you should always check your fences on your table saw, on your joiner, bandsaw, all of that, and just align as needed. world of pure imagination.